Hello friends, welcome back to ABC Nature. It's a boss and I'm showing you some beauties of nature. Jacobian cuckoo singing in acacia trees. He is just overlooking our home. Very beautiful bird. And how beautiful he is singing. It's not that common. It comes in this monsoon season in our area. And look at these butterflies. A whole flock of them. Yellow cross butterflies are common brimstone butterflies. And they are hovering over the basil flowers in our backyard. What a beautiful creation of the nature. Creation of God. And these are doves, laughing doves. They are preening on a dried branch of other dried tree, conifer tree. And this is an Indian robin sitting on our lounge door that opens in the lawn. And this rascal is crow pheasant or greater cockle bird, and it's breaking into the nest of a boa weaver in the reeds in our garden pond. Should I interfere? That's how long, but that is a part of nature. And these are the crows, common house crows sitting on eucalyptus branches. They are having some kind of congregation, enjoying, and lot of crows in the paddy field, newly planted paddy field. Very intelligent and cunning bird. In the Saraiki language, there is a proverb. They say the crow is the bird of civilization. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay blessed.